The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 will have a smaller crease. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, as you know that the Galaxy foldable devices are just 2 months away and we are hearing multiple reports about the Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4. Like, we have already know the full spec sheet of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and the Z Flip 4 coming from Ice Universe and Yogesh, which pretty much give us every single detail about the spec of the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 4. Now today we have got another leak coming for the Z Flip 4 from the Ice Universe, and he explains that the new Galaxy Z Flip 4 will have a smaller crease and it might not be even noticeable to many of the people. Why the crease is happening in the foldables is because the fact that we fold and unfold the devices pretty much every single day for multiple times, and generally when you have a plastic like a display or ultra thin glass technology which is made for a thin glass layer, and ultimately in 3 or 4 years there are multiple chances that the foldable screens are going to break even and you have to replace it. So guys, I think that the crease is the major issue that most of the people thinks that is going to be the part of the foldables, but I don't think that this is going to be a problem for most people, because right after using the phone for 20 minutes you will not even going to notice that particular crease. And still this is a good news that we don't see the crease on the upcoming Z Flip 4, and the Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 are expected to be unveiling on August, but we already have pretty much clear picture of what to expect. Both the foldables are going to be coming with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 in the processing department, 8GB of RAM and 128 and 256GB of storage. That is going to be pretty much standard as the last year Flip 3. The internal display will be same as the last year, 6.7 inch Full HD plus 120Hz refresh rate. The external display will slightly be improved, like we have a 2.1 inch instead of 1.9 inch of outer display, while the camera bump is also going to be exactly same as the last year. No charging is going to be improved, only the battery capacity is expected to be improving this time around, which is going to be jumping from 3400 mAh to 3700 mAh battery. Now as far as the pricing detail, we don't know any exact detail about the pricing, but there are certainly many leaks and rumors that pointed out that we could expect a lower price tag this year as compared to the Z Flip 3. If that is going to be happening, already we know that the Z Flip 3 is one of the popular foldable devices in the foldable world. So if price is going to be dropping, then we definitely think this is the era when finally the foldables are going to be successful. And guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about these new changes that are coming for the Flip 4? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.